Today I've got to machine the squat bar, get that heat treated and blackened, then they'll both be ready to assemble and send off to Pro Roll. I'm going to be machining it to 35 mil, or just under, obviously, because the bushing needs to go on instead of 30. And it works, so awesome. $16.88, 24.897, 34.75, off by 0 microns. All right, so that's good. Correct, 34.758. .9, 34.76, 24.899. So that's the squat bar, perfectly cut to length, 2 sleeve mechanisms on each end. Now we just got to machine the actual shaft and knurl it.